Product installation and pipeline connection. Check two sealing rings. Place the water pipe joint nuts onto the pipe. Evenly apply PVC glue to the inner surfaces of both pipe joints and outer surface of the pipes. Tighten the two pipe joint nuts onto the salt chlorinator. The pump must not be activated for water flow testing until 24 hours after applying PVC glue. Connect the output plug from power supply adapter to salt chlorinator. Power on and press the power button to turn on the device. Turn on the water pump. Salt chlorinator operates optimally within a water flow range from 2 cubic meters per hour to 10 cubic meters per hour. When the pump's flow rate exceeds 10 cubic meters per hour, it must be installed on a bypass in case of damage caused by excessive flow in main water circuit. By installing to the bypass, user can precisely adjust water flow through adjustment valve to realize optimal working conditions. Install two pipe joints onto the water pipe. Clamp the two pipe joint to water pipe. Tighten the two pipe joint nuts onto the salt chlorinator.